Are you preparing for your Wildsource safari? Packing the right way is key to ensuring you're prepared, comfortable, and ready for adventure. In this video, I'll share what to pack for safari, tips for staying under the weight limit, and some essential items you might not have considered. And don't forget, a packing list is available in your guest portal for your convenience. So let's get started. The first thing you need is the right bag. Bush flights restrict your carry-on and check bags to be 33 pounds combined. Additionally, a soft-sided bag, like this one, is required. Bags need to be able to be squished around in the bush flights and in your safari vehicle. Pair it with a day pack for essentials like water, sunscreen, and camera gear during your game drive. Also, avoid plastic bags, as they're banned in many African countries. Use reusable alternatives like a packing cube instead. With the right bags, you're off to a great start. Before you head out to buy all new gear, let's take a moment to talk about your closet. You may already have what you need, and you can save both money and resources by reusing what you have. Let's take a look at how you can make the most of your existing gear and shop smarter when necessary. Let's talk about what to wear on your safari. For outer layers, pack a rain jacket and fleece or hoodie to stay comfortable in the cooler mornings. Bring long sleeve t-shirts for sun protection, breathable t-shirts or tanks for the warmer part of the day. For bottoms, consider zip-off pants for versatility, shorts for hot weather, and light pants for the evenings. You'll need comfortable walking shoes and camp sandals. Hiking boots, they're not necessary. Some pro tips: neutral tones like khaki, brown, tan, and green work best to blend in with nature. Avoid black and blue as they might attract flies. Steer clear of white, which shows dust easily, and camo, which is illegal in some African countries. Traveling to Zanzibar, you must be covered from the shoulders to the knees when in public, such as in Stone Town or on public beaches. Most camps offer laundry service, so there's no need to overpack. Trust us, the lions and the giraffes won't have the slightest idea how many times you've worn your safari pants. When it comes to toiletries, packing light and practical is key for your safari adventure. While many essentials are provided at camp, there are a few items you want to bring along to stay comfortable and prepared. Shampoo and body wash are provided, but often conditioner is not. A travel-sized bottle of bug spray should suffice in the event that you need it. Camps may provide insect repellent in game drive vehicles and around camp, but bugs are rarely an issue. Hard candy for game drives can help with a dry throat from any dust or wind. Wet wipes, face mist, a buff, and saline drops are also great options to combat the dust. Yellow fever vaccines may be required depending on where you are going. We highly recommend scheduling a visit with a travel clinic. They will review your medical history and your itinerary and then give you an exact vaccine and medication recommendation. And don't forget your sunscreen. Sunscreen can often be pricier in Africa. Make sure that your sunscreen is reef safe as well. Finally, we recommend you do not pack a hairdryer. Any accommodation that can handle the voltage will provide a hairdryer. Whether you're an experienced photographer or just wanting to snap some amazing shots, here's my must-have list to make sure that you get the best photos of the wildlife and the landscapes that you encounter. A camera body with a telephoto lens for the wildlife and a wide-angle lens for the landscapes, a tripod or monopod for stability, extra SD cards, batteries, and chargers, rain and dust covers to protect your equipment, cleaning wipes and a cloth, and finally UV filters to protect your lens from the harsh sun and enhance your photo quality. Equipped with the right tools, you'll be ready to document the wonders of the safari. And remember, your smartphone can be just as powerful, perfect for quick snaps while you're out in the wild. Packing for safari involves more than just clothing and camera gear. There are a few small items that can make a big difference in ensuring you have a smooth, enjoyable trip. Here's what you'll want to have on hand before you embark on your adventure. Don't forget your passport and your e-tickets, and make sure to bring any visas or your yellow fever vaccination card if they are required. If you're bringing children, check to see if birth certificates are also required. Though your guides will have them, binoculars are a great piece of gear to enhance your game viewing experience. A travel pillow, eye mask, or earplugs are lifesavers for long flights or bumpy drives. Some travelers like to bring postcards from their hometowns as gifts to the guides or the camp staff. Outlet plugs in Africa are different than the US, and it depends on the country you're going to. Make sure to bring a travel adapter. Remember to bring cash for tips and a journal if you want to write about your days. Reduce your plastic use by packing a water bottle. And if you're traveling to Tanzania and staying at our Ninjozi camp, we will gladly provide you with a Wildsource sticker to brand your water bottle. If you forget your water bottle, we also have a few saved at our Arusha office. Finally, a good wide-brimmed hat or baseball cap and a pair of sunglasses are essential for keeping the sun out of your eyes. These simple items will help ensure that your safari is comfortable, organized, and unforgettable. With everything packed and ready, you can focus on enjoying the incredible experience that awaits you. And that's it, your ultimate safari packing guide. Stick to the essentials, pack light, and you'll have everything you need for an unforgettable adventure. Safe travels and enjoy your safari from the Wild Source.